Mastering advanced vocabulary, building a strong lexical foundation. Our first word of the 13th day is 1. Wetware. A. Human brain cells or thought processes regarded as analogous to, or in contrast with, computer systems. Differences between the wetware of the brain and the hardware found in our PCs. 2. Auscultate. A. Examine a patient by listening to sounds from the heart, lungs, or other organs, typically using a stethoscope. The lungs and heart should be auscultated for signs of congestive heart failure. Nevertheless, they gave advice, got on the moral hobby again, and had the assurance to auscultate. 3. Flimsy. Flimsy or frail. Cradle sheets of this thin, closely woven, white worsted stuff is not flimsy like thin flannel, yet are softer than flannel. His flimsy silver spoon, dented with tooth marks of an ancestor who had died in a delirium, was laid evenly by his plate. 4. Ablate. A. To remove by melting, vaporizing, erosion, etc. To become ablated, vaporize. Drying wine slowly ablate away the eyes. Therapeutic intervention to ablate existing cancer cells. 5. Adulate. To flatter or admire slavishly. To admire or praise someone very much, especially when this is more than is deserved. The boxer was convicted of rape, and yet is still adulated by many. 6. Mewl. To cry, as a baby, young child, or the like, whimper. He was mewling like a sick kitten. The pitiful sound of kittens as they mewl for their distracted mother is heartbreaking. 7. Pungent. A. Having a sharp point. B. Marked by a sharp incisive quality. C. Causing a sharp or irritating sensation. D. Having an intense flavor or odor. The next thing was a pungent smell of burning plastic. The pungent smell of frying onions. 8. Exigent. A. Urgent, pressing. B. Exacting, demanding. B. Requiring or calling for much, demanding. He rushed up here and searched the house without a warrant because he had established exigent circumstances. 9. Mandarin. Of, relating to, or typical of a public official in China. A pedantic official. B. Marked by polished ornate complexity of language. Mandarin prose. A person of position and influence often in intellectual or literary circles. A red-buttoned Mandarin cap. 10. Nostrum. A quack remedy or patent medicine, ESP. One prepared by the person recommending it. A charlatan who sells nostrums. Snake oil is one of the most well-known. B. A scheme or remedy for bringing about some social or political reform or improvement. During tough times, populist nostrums gain favor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and lessons. Remember, a word a day keeps your eloquence at play. Please subscribe and click the notification button.